For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The cold press juicer with a 5.5-inch wide feed chute is designed to make fresh juice extraction simple, efficient, and convenient. One of the things I personally love about this juicer is its extra-wide 5.5-inch feed chute. I've tried other juicers where I had to chop every fruit or vegetable, and it was such a hassle. With this model, I can insert whole apples, carrots, or even small citrus fruits without pre-cutting, which saves a lot of time in the morning and helps preserve more nutrients. For anyone with a busy schedule, this feature makes juicing fast and straightforward. This juice is really efficient thanks to its slow masticating system that operates at 55 RPM. From my experience, the low-speed pressing and multi-stage compression really make a difference. I tried juicing celery and carrots together, and I noticed the juice came out smooth with minimal pulp. It can achieve up to 99% juice yield from a wide range of produce, including lemons, oranges, celery, carrots, and tomatoes. That means you're getting more fresh juice from every ingredient and reducing waste at the same time. The 250W motor is powerful but quiet, and the solid one-piece body keeps the machine stable while it's running. I remember making a green juice in the morning, and the juicer barely made any noise, which was perfect because my kitchen isn't isolated. It handles hard vegetables easily while preserving the flavor and nutrients in your ingredients. Another thing I appreciate is how easy it is to assemble. When I first got it, I had it ready to use in just a few minutes without needing any tools or complicated instructions. It's very beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to juicing, you won't feel intimidated. Cleanup is also simple. Both the filter and pulp outlet are fully removable. I usually rinse them right after juicing or put them in the dishwasher, and it's done in no time. No more scrubbing tiny parts or worrying about leftover pulp. Overall, this 5.5-inch feed chute cold press juicer is practical and reliable. Whether you're juicing citrus fruits, leafy greens, or root vegetables, it delivers maximum flavor and nutrition with minimal effort. From my personal experience, it has made daily juicing easier and more enjoyable. If you're looking for a solution to get fresh, nutrient-rich juice every day without the usual prep and cleanup hassle, this juicer is a solid choice.